What's up guys, welcome back to Sports and Gadgets. Sharpening serrated knives can seem a bit scary, especially for those looking for their first knife, but in reality it's not as hard as it looks. Well, I'm gonna show you some of the easiest and most affordable ways to sharpen these knives on your own. One of these methods is simply using a sharpening rod like this one. It offers various thicknesses along the shaft of the rod because the serrations on knives come in different sizes and you want to apply the section of rod that best fits the serrations of your knife. Here I have the Spyderco Matriarch, a really cool knife. You'll find a link to it in the description. Check it out, there is even a discount on it. And I have this 4-in-1 sharpener here, which includes a diamond rod and a ceramic rod. A diamond rod is perfect for repairing damaged edges of a very dull knife. It's more abrasive, making it ideal for reshaping, rebeveling, and sharpening a knife edge that has been significantly neglected. The ceramic rod is less abrasive, which makes it better for honing and maintaining an already sharp edge rather than forming a new one. With the section of rod fitted to the serrations of your knife, simply drag the rod across those serrations. Keep the rod flush with the bevel and you'll have the right angle. Only use the sharpening rod to sharpen downward. Give each serrations 4 to 6 strokes before moving on to the next one. And be careful, using a rod that's too fat for the width of the scallop could damage the teeth of your knife. When you're done, you need to remove the burr that you've raised on the edge. To smooth this out, use a finer tool like a leather strop, ceramic rod, or a stone. Next, we have one of the best sharpening systems available on the market, the Spyderco Tri-Angle Sharpmaker. It consists of 2 sets of stones, 2 gray medium rods for aggressive sharpening, and a set of fine ceramic rods for professional grade finishing. There are many similar products on the market, but this particular set is really cool and versatile. And let's not forget that Spyderco manufactured sharpeners before making knives, so you know they're good. And shop Spyderco products on the Sports and Gadgets store website and enjoy a discount on any order. We'll first select the white ceramic rods, as the gray stones tend to remove more metal, and set them up so that the corners face each other. Then hold your knife perpendicular to the base with the serration that's closest to the handle, right at the top of the rod. Now gently slide each serration along the rod. You'll do this until you feel a slight roughness or a burr on the opposite side of the blade. Once you've got that burr, switch to the other rod to smooth it out. You can also use the Sharpmaker for serrated bread knives. What you can do, just insert one of the ceramic stones angled towards the center and the second rod with a flat surface facing the center. Slowly slide the serrated side of your bread knife down the rod. Start at the top of the sharpener and smoothly glide the knife to the bottom. Do this motion several times until the knife appears to be sharpened. Then run the flat side of your blade along the flat surface of the second rod to get rid of any burrs. This specific sharpening method is the one provided in the official Spyderco instructions. However, some people online debate this method, claiming it ruins the heels between serrations and gets them rounded. Could this really be the case? What do you think? Because as for me, I personally used this method and haven't noticed such issues. But if you're still concerned, you might want to individually sharpen each serration with a ceramic rod and then just polish off any burrs at the end. Don't forget to check out the discounts on our website, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.